Unlocking the Power of AI for Learning, a comprehensive guide. Introduction: The transformative world of using artificial intelligence or AI as a tool to enhance our learning experiences. The central idea is to view AI not as a replacement for critical thinking, but as an extension of our cognitive abilities. Let's embark on a journey where AI becomes a powerful ally in our pursuit of knowledge. But first, welcome to Tech Too Fast, where imaginations meets acceleration in the tech lane. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Now, let's dive in. The three-part learning cycle: construct, connect, challenge, CCC. Our approach to learning, drawing inspiration from cognitive load theory, centers on three pivotal stages: construct, connect, and challenge. Each phase is meticulously designed to foster critical thinking and streamline the learning process. The essence of our method lies in the strategic incorporation of AI, enhancing efficiency and effectiveness throughout the entire cycle. Let's delve into the first phase, construct, where learners actively build foundational knowledge. AI plays a key role here by providing personalized learning experiences, adapting content to individual needs, and facilitating the absorption of information. As users construct their understanding, AI algorithms ensure that the learning journey is tailored to their pace, preferences, and comprehension levels. Moving on to connect phase, we emphasize the importance of linking new knowledge to existing mental frameworks. AI aids in this process by offering interactive experiences, simulations, and real-world applications that strengthen the connections between concepts. By leveraging AI-driven tools, learners can visualize abstract ideas, making complex topics more accessible and promoting a deeper understanding. The final phase, challenge, focuses on pushing learners beyond their comfort zones to solidify their grasp on the material. AI-powered assessments, adaptive quizzes, and problem-solving scenarios provide targeted challenges, ensuring that individuals apply their acquired knowledge in diverse contexts. This dynamic integration of AI in the challenge phase enhances the learning experience by promoting active engagement and reinforcing comprehension through practical application. Construct phase, gathering information. The construct phase involves the intentional accumulation of information, and in this endeavor, AI, notably ChatGPT, emerges as a valuable ally. Leveraging the capabilities of ChatGPT, learners can benefit from an interactive and structured approach to gathering knowledge. Through engaging with ChatGPT in the role of an expert, individuals can collaboratively design syllabi and lesson plans. This interaction serves to streamline the learning process, reducing cognitive load and offering a well-defined roadmap for effective knowledge construction. ChatGPT's roleplay as an expert is not merely a passive exchange, but an active co-creation of educational content. Users can pose specific queries, seek clarification on complex topics, and receive expertly crafted responses, enhancing the clarity and depth of their understanding. This collaborative construction of learning material ensures that the information is presented in a manner that aligns with individual learning styles, fostering a more personalized and effective learning experience. Moreover, the integration of AI in this phase is instrumental in overcoming challenges associated with information overload. ChatGPT's ability to distill vast amounts of information into digestible and coherent segments facilitates a focused and efficient learning journey. By guiding learners through the intricacies of a subject, ChatGPT contributes to the strategic construction of knowledge, laying a solid foundation for subsequent learning phases. Before we move on to connect phase, building relationships between concepts, have you already hit that subscribe button? Go ahead and click the subscribe button below. Connect phase, building relationships between concepts. Moving into the connect phase marks a crucial step in the learning framework, where the focus shifts from accumulating knowledge to understanding how concepts interconnect. In this phase, the prowess of AI becomes especially evident as it contributes significantly to elucidating the relationships between various topics. AI, exemplified by ChatGPT, demonstrates its strength by dynamically generating tables that facilitate a comprehensive comparison and contrast of different subjects. These features streamlines the process of visually representing the relationships between concepts, offering learners a structured and visually intuitive tool for comprehension. An additional facet of AI's contribution in the connect phase lies in its ability to provide analogies that serve as bridges between unfamiliar concepts and those already grasped. By presenting familiar scenarios or ideas that draw parallels to new information, AI aids in bridging gaps in understanding. Analogies become a valuable resource in simplifying complex topics and fostering a deeper connection between ideas. Furthermore, AI's capacity to explore and introduce related concepts broadens the scope of learning during the connect phase. By branching into associated topics, learners gain a more holistic understanding of the subject matter, enriching their knowledge base. AI acts as a knowledgeable guide, leading individuals through the intricate web of interconnected ideas, ultimately enhancing the depth and breadth of their comprehension. Challenge phase: testing and evaluating understanding. The challenge phase is all about applying knowledge through practice problems. AI can be employed to create practice tests tailored to evaluate our understanding. Following this, ChatGPT can provide detailed explanations or correct answers, highlighting potential pitfalls. Moreover, the AI can assist in self-assessment by giving feedback on our thought processes, identifying strengths, weaknesses, and suggesting areas for further exploration. AI's role in reducing cognitive load. Cognitive load, the mental effort expended during learning, can be alleviated by AI. ChatGPT aids in creating structured learning sequences, exploring relationships between concepts, and generating challenging assessments. The result is a more streamlined learning experience, allowing us to focus on critical thinking, the essence of true learning. Limitations of AI in learning. While AI is a powerful tool, it's crucial to acknowledge its limitations. It's not infallible, and its depth of knowledge has its bounds. ChatGPT excels in being book smart, but lacks real-world experience or street smarts. Acknowledging these limitations ensures a balanced approach to learning with AI. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI serves as an invaluable companion on our learning journey, providing guidance, structure, and challenges. By understanding how to integrate AI seamlessly into the construct, connect, challenge cycle, we unlock a world of possibilities. Remember, AI is a supplement, not a substitute for our cognitive abilities. Now, armed with this guide, let's harness the power of AI to supercharge our learning adventures. Happy learning, everyone! If you found this guide insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Your engagement helps the algorithm reach more learners like you. Feel free to drop comments below to share your thoughts and experiences with AI in learning. Once again, this is Tech Too Fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.